How to make moon water. Fill a glass with a glass like mason jar or a big jar that's glass with water. Then infuse it with what your intention that you want to bring to that water. Put your energy in it. Spend about 2 to 3 minutes putting your energy into it. Then put it under the moonlight. Leave it to 1 to 3 days. I think 3 days is best. And then take it out when it's under the sun, when the sun is out. You can then add crystals to it if you want. What can you use it for? So there's a lot of things. So here we go. In your bath, you can add it to your drinks. You can make potion with it. You can make perfume with it. Use it on your plants. Use it on your flowers. Use it on an altar. Use it in a diffuser. Make a cleaning spray with it. Wash your floors with it. Wash your makeup brushes with it. Make coffee with it. Make homemade cosmetics with it. Cook with it. Use it in divination. Use it in spell work. Make moon water ice cubes. Have a beautiful day.